So, arch. Okay, so, come on, let's start from backwards.
No.
Why is the button in the back?
Because it doesn't.
No, it's not, okay?
Yes, it is.
Get out my
Hey,
video.
YouTube. Hey, YouTube.
So, I'm
Hey,
making some stuff.
hey, what's up, YouTube?
I'm gonna smack you. So annoying. So, but I am making slime. I'm just gonna show you how to make it. Basic steps. So I got this gallon of Elmer's glue, and if you can't find a gallon of Elmer's glue and you want it, just get 32 bottles of normal glue, which I hate normal glue, like normal bottles. So my mom bought me a gallon. Turn it down, and then you'll need some shave foam, and I just got this kind. Then you'll need her baking soda, and then saline solution. And I just got some.
Sure, it does look like it's on backwards.
So then, that is loud, Jacob. So, if you want to make it scent, you can add some scent to it. And I also got another one where I lifted out my niece's house, and it was like Malibu mango, I think, something like that. But this is the warm sugar cookie, but I'm not going to use it. So, what you'll need is something to store it in. So I'm just using this container. Something to steer it in, which I'm using this container also. And something to start with. So, what you do is pour in at least as much glue as you want. But at least, I say at least to fill up the bottom of the, about that much is as much as I say. Because also adding shave foam to it and I'll make it fluffy. And I don't know which bottle it is, I can say here. But, okay, hold on, I got two bottles of this. But, it's this one. My friend used half the bottle of it because she did not know what she was doing because this one's heavy. I've only used this one just once, and she used half the bottle of this. So, yeah. So, now, what we'll do is shave foam. So, add at least to fill the top of your glue up.
Hi, guys.
Hello. Hey, someone say about that much shaving cream.
Just about that much.
Shut up before I slap you.
Fix your chain, nigga.
Fix it.
This stuff makes your face so soft.
So then you want to mix it up.
Shake it first.
Makeup remover.
You can use it on all of your face.
Yeah, but you still should be surprised I didn't know what that is. I have some.
Eye makeup remover?
Just clean the face
So
with it.
you just stir it up,
Makes your face really soft. Like a baby's
and it's like fill it to that much.
Yes,
I
it
add the
did.
shaving cream
I
to
didn't
it.
say it didn't.
So I'm just gonna keep it white, basic, fluffy slime. Then, just in case if you don't have food coloring, but I do, but I'm not gonna use it. Then you'll need
What?
What are you doing with it?
Cleaning my face?
a palm full of baking soda, and then put it in the slime and stir it together. And then your saline solution, add me, and add about that much to it, and stir it up.
Use a clean towel though when you do it.
Are you like the police of how you're supposed to wash
So
your
it's like
face?
getting thicker.
No,
No, I'm just telling you.
I'm just telling you you don't
I'm not
have
even gonna let it break out. You get more
Not
people
me.
goals.
I got shaving cream on my hand. It's alright though.
Live in a world of broken promises and empty tanks. Oh, but look at us. Look at us with a big fence. Don't got a lot of money, but we're making a ding. Going for a truck with a dog in the back.
So I need a little more baking soda. So about another palmful, because I forgot I used 2 times, or one, a little more than what I usually do. If you see, they'll get thicker and thicker as it's coming together. Just need to keep on adding your saline solution. And the thing you'll need in it is, let me see. Boric acid and sodium borate, and it says it, but you really can't see it. And let me see. Yeah, you can't see it, but it says boric acid and sodium borate in it. Just look in the content, and it'll say, or mine says, a sterile incident Beaufort solution that contains boric acid, sodium borate, sodium chloride, sodium chloride. Yeah, so it just needs those 2 ingredients in it. It doesn't matter but everything else. It just needs those 2. And you just want to stir. There's a lot of stirring in this, but it'll just keep getting thicker and thicker. So, and you really don't need, like, you need a lot, but not a lot, like half and half. And then I'm just going to clean off this can right here so we can get some more slime. So once it gets about this thick, you can start kneading it with your hands. I'm just going to get it out of the bowl with the fork. I don't want to wash my hands because I have marker all over them from Sunday school. So, I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Okay, it's okay if your hands are wet, doesn't matter. A hair got in it. I'll get out though.
I voted for the third party.
Okay. Oh. So then you just want to knead it. And it will be sticky, but I really don't care because it's supposed to be. And then you just knead it, take it, and fold it, and take it, and fold it, and then keep on those steps over and over and over again. The water actually won't hurt anything, really. So it needs more saline solution. And when I say like a good start is starting it is when at least most of it comes off the sides and starts coming together. And I'll show you what's left in the bowl. I'll show you what's left in the bowl, and that's like just left in the bowl. And I'll get it out after I finish making it. And it's just this white, fluffy slime. And you can down if you want to, but I'm not going to. And this is really big and clicky. Then you just want to get everything out of the container, and then knead it into the slime also. And then you'll need a little more saline solution, so it won't be too sticky to your hands. So I'm going to try to do a bubble with it. This is how you just make normal fluffy slime. It looks different on camera than it does in real life, but it's really stretchy, and you can make perfect rolls with it. And I just got this gallon of glue because no water's glue, or just important is, let me see, inside the gown, I'll show you what's front of it. About right here. Now, I made a lot of songs with it, but it's filled right here. So I'm going to save it for next weekend. So I'm not allowed to make slime during school days because school clothes and stuff. So I'm going to try to make a bubble wrap quick and show you. So what you do is spread it out. Pull up your sleeves before this.
It's right here.
And then there. It turned out good.
Awesome.
It's going to be a little sticky to you because I have slime hands, you don't. The only way, like when Ethan likes playing with my slime, I have to put this on his hand so it don't be sticky. Yeah, and it's still sticky. Like, it's not sticky to other people, but it's sticky to you. Maybe they're, like your first time making slime or something, you just don't have the right slime hands. Just put a little of this on your hands and start making slime more. It'll work. It will work. You just have to have the perfect slime hands to do it. So, whoa! That did not get on y'all, but that was a big bubble. It was like right in front of y'all. Even got on my solution bottle. Jake!
Yeah.
Come here.
I'm coming.
Watch this bubble.
Whoa. Like bubblegum.
Yeah. So, and that is how you make normal fluffy slime. And I will do in the next video how to make opaque slime. So, please like and subscribe. And do a big favor for me. Please go like Dang Matt Smith's videos. Please like and subscribe and hit his notification bell. And same as Mighty Duck. And also to Karina Garcia, or however you say her last name. It's kind of hard for me to say it. And then, so I have 4 people. That was Mighty Duck, Dang Matt Smith, Karina Garcia.
Hey.
Hi guys. Karina Garcia and who else? I forgot. Oh, and Jason Grace, I think is her name. And if y'all watch this video, but I doubt I will. But if anybody comments that I did, but please tell them that I said this, so they'll please watch this video. But y'all are my favorite YouTubers, and also Roman Atwood. Go follow him too, Roman Atwood. But yeah, y'all just tell them that I told you that, and because I don't know how to comment. But yeah, please like and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So peace out, peeps.